Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I'm so glad that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, I'm so excited about this fun, quick, and easy series that I'm about to kick off. We are going to be making Christmas gifts for $5 or less. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thanks for being here. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, we're getting close to Christmas, and most of us want to give gifts that have a meaning to the person that we're giving them to, and we don't want to break the bank while we're doing it. Well, in my new series, $5 or Less, we are going to make some of the cutest, most elegant upscale gifts that you've ever seen for under $5. And we're going to kick the series off with these. No, they are not cards. No, they are not folios. They are something that, if you're like me, you enjoy using. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at what we're going to be making. I am making these beautiful bath sachets filled with these lavender colored bath salts. And as you can see, I paid $4.99 for these, and look how much you get in the bottle. I have been filling these, and I still have about 3/4 of the bottle left. So this is truly one of those crafts that you can do at the last minute when you need a Secret Santa gift, or you want a stocking stuffer, or you just want to give someone a little something. These are perfect, especially if you know someone who loves a good old soak in the tub. So these are very easy, and I am just going to untie them so that you can see how beautiful they are. They are packaged like this, just little packets. And you can just take some of your prettiest paper and fill them with the bath salts. Now for me, I chose not to go with the Christmas theme on these papers because this is one of those non-Christmas themed gifts. This is one of those gifts you would make to give to someone that they could use at any time during the year. So I am going to set these to the side and show you how easy it is to make these little packets. So I have brought in my scoreboard, and I have 2 pieces of 8.5 by 6 paper. Now you can use any weight for this. You can use the lightest weight, meaning a printer type paper, or you can use a heavyweight paper for this. It is totally up to you, but this is going to be so easy that you'll be able to make bunches of these in no time. So on the 8.5 inch side, we're going to score at 4, and then at 8 1/8. We're going to go ahead and do both of these because I want you guys to really see how quick it is for us to make these little packets. So we scored on the 8.5 inch side at 4 and 8 1/8. And we're going to go ahead and just fold and burnish all of our scores. And now we're going to take some tape, and let's place your tape right here. And then we'll take tape and we'll place it over here, top and bottom. And we'll do the same thing on this one. We're going to take our tape and we're going to place that tape right there. And right here. And here. And y'all, this is pretty much it. So now we're just going to peel away the bottom, fold that over, peel that, and fold that over. Now we just go over this with our big old spatula or your bone folder, making sure that we have a nice seal on that. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing with this one. Let's go ahead and fold that over. And fold that over. And go ahead and just work that stick to make sure that we don't have anything seeping out. And now comes the fun part. We get to place in our bath salts. Now I am probably putting maybe 2 tablespoons in here because I'm making mine to be single serve. And then once you have your bath salts in, we just peel away that tape backer and we close the top. We're going to make sure that we give this a real nice tight close. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Peel away that, stretch that, and close it. And y'all, it does not get any simpler than that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper crimper and I'm just going to crimp my ends. This is going to give it like that potato chip bag look. And I'm just crimping. Now I'm using my Fiskars paper crimper. And if you've been with me for any amount of time, you know that I've had this paper crimper since I've been on YouTube. I actually had it longer than my time on YouTube. So I don't know if Fiskars still makes this or not, but I will see if I can find it. If I can find it, I will have it linked in the description box below. It just gives you a nice little crimping to the top. But y'all, if it's not in the description box, then I wasn't able to find it. So I don't have an alternative for you because I've not tried the other crimpers out there. It'll be one of those things that you'll have to search and find one that you think might work for you and give it a try. So then, all I'm going to do is take some stickers and place those stickers on top just to finish this off all cute-like. And I think that what we end up with is really very high-end looking. So then I'm going to take some of my crinkle seam binding, and y'all, I got a whole new batch in the mail from Erin. She really surprised me. Erin is the owner designer of My Scrap Cabin Shop, and she makes some of the most beautiful crinkle seam binding. And we have a 10% discount code that I will have linked in the description box. But I am going to go in and just grab a color. And you can see that I have so many colors to choose from that I won't go wrong with whatever I choose. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that. I think it just really spoke to me when I first opened it that I am going to go ahead and use that. But I did want you guys to see all of these beautiful crinkle seam bindings that I have in here from My Scrap Cabin Shop. And y'all, I'm telling you, if you haven't ordered from Erin, I would definitely encourage you to go out there and take a look at the crinkle seam binding that she does have. I've actually purchased crinkle seam binding from another place before I knew about Erin, and there is no comparison in the colors and the quality. This really is very good, and I would be saying this, and I have said it, even before Erin ever connected with me to send me some of her samples. Y'all, it's one of those products that I initially bought, liked it so much, shared it with you guys, and wanted you to know about it. And now that Erin has been so gracious to send me some, I am more than happy to share that with you. I'd be sharing it with you even if she wasn't sending it to me because I really do like it. So there I have tied that beautiful crinkle seam binding. And I am going to leave these untied because I want you to see this beautiful presentation with the crinkle seam binding on and off so that you can see how beautiful these are. You could actually do the whole thing as one gift and make it a packet of 6. These are absolutely fabulous and a very quick and easy, inexpensive way to give a gift. Y'all, to make these, the paper was 45 cents for the sheet, $4.99 for this whole thing. So I am estimating that I probably used about maybe 30 cents worth of beads on these two, and then the stickers. So for the sticker sheet that I used, This sticker is costing me about 10 cents, if that. So I was able to make this whole gift set, including the small amount of tape that I used, for $1 or less. So this truly is some beautiful paper crafting that we can do at Christmas time and not break the bank. So I hope that you have enjoyed this really fun and economical way to make these bath salt sachets. I believe that the person you give these to will absolutely love them. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.